If you're looking for an AI tool that revolutionizes music creation, AIMusicGen AI might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. In this review, I'm diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about AIMusicGen, the just-released AI software that's already catching the attention of musicians, producers, and creatives worldwide. Before we get started, you can try AIMusicGen completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now, if you're someone who's curious about how AIMusicGen works and whether it's worth your time, keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of its capabilities, features, and whether it's the right tool for you. Let's get into the first crucial thing you need to know: the ease of use. AIMusicGen's user interface is incredibly straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned producer, you'll appreciate how intuitive it is. There's no steep learning curve here. You can jump right in and start generating music in minutes. And trust me, for those of us who are used to wrestling with complicated music production software, this is a breath of fresh air. Second, AIMusicGen doesn't just generate music randomly. It uses cutting-edge AI algorithms trained on a massive dataset of music across multiple genres. This means you're getting a tool that's not just playing around, it's creating music that sounds professional. Whether you're looking for a lo-fi beat, electronic track, or something more classical, AIMusicGen can deliver a wide range of styles. You can literally click a button and generate high-quality music that fits your vibe. Now, if you're wondering about the customization options, AIMusicGen has you covered. You can tweak the generated music by adjusting tempo, genre, instruments, and more. If you're trying to create something unique or match a specific mood for a project, you can fine-tune the results with ease. It's all about flexibility, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to produce something that feels tailored to their needs. Another huge plus is the integration with other software. AIMusicGen works well with popular music production tools like Ableton, FL Studio, and Logic Pro. If you already have a setup that you love, you don't have to abandon it. Just export the AI-generated track and load it into your DAW to make additional tweaks. This makes AIMusicGen a seamless addition to your existing workflow. Fifth, one of the standout features is its speed. Unlike some other AI music tools that can take forever to generate anything usable, AIMusicGen produces high-quality tracks in mere seconds. This makes it perfect for anyone who's on a tight schedule or needs a quick burst of inspiration. Plus, the speed doesn't sacrifice quality, so you're getting professional-grade results fast. Moving on to the cost. A lot of AI tools can get expensive quickly, but AIMusicGen offers a free version with plenty of features for those on a budget. And for those who want to dive deeper, the premium version is still reasonably priced compared to similar software on the market. You can check out the pricing plans directly on their website or try the software for free using the link in the description. Seventh, and perhaps one of the most important points, is the future of the software. AIMusicGen is still in its early stages, and based on the updates and improvements already being rolled out, it's clear the development team is committed to continuous innovation. Expect more features, more genres, and even better AI-generated music as time goes on. So, to summarize, AIMusicGen is a powerful, easy-to-use AI tool that can quickly create high-quality music in a variety of genres. Whether you're a musician, producer, or content creator, this software has the potential to save you time and inspire your next great track. And don't forget, you can try AIMusicGen completely free through the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, AIMusicGen stands out for its impressive combination of speed, customization, and affordability. If you're looking for AI software that can help you level up your music production, this is definitely worth checking out. And if you're interested in exploring even more AI software, I've included my top recommended tools in the description below. These are the ones I trust after testing them all, and you can try most of them for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.